This is Eric with EJ Flooring. I just want to talk to you today about storage for your shower. You can see here we used niches. The nice thing about niches is that they're recessed. They don't stick out. There's still plenty of storage for your soaps, shampoos. This is a double niche, and so you got storage top and bottom for both. They're mirror image, so they're the same size. We can do offset niches where you might have a spot for like a loofah, bar soap, and a razor, or and then a taller niche for your tall bottles. This is the most common niche setup that we do because it'll hold any type of bottle. I have yet to meet a bottle that won't fit, and then of course it still holds your other necessities as well. So if you're having a tiled shower installed, consider having a niche done as part of it. As a reminder, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click the bell icon to keep updated with our latest videos. And then in the next video, we're going to talk about corner shelves for your shower.